Lipu Lighting was founded in July 2001 in Shanghai, China, with the vision to become a recognized leader in the global manufacturing of high-quality lighting products. Nowadays, Lipu Lighting mainly involves produce intelligent lights and light accessories. Main produce intelligent control system, LED street light, LED floodlight, LED High Baylite, photocell, sensor, ballast, igniter, etc. Focus on continuous innovation and outstanding creation. Lipu Lighting provides customers with high-quality professional lighting solutions. There are 6 core departments: Research and Development Department, Sales Department, Purchasing Department, Quality Control Department, Purchasing Department, and Logistic Department. Each department communicated and collaborates with each other to make the whole company working smoothly with high efficiency. The intelligent control system can control the lights by Zigbee, LoRa, and NEMA communication standard software. The users can control lights on, off, or dimming function easily, which realize the concept of smart lighting and smart city. LED High Baylite mainly used in warehouse, factory, etc. The high lumen SMD chip and various design can meet different market requirements. Every finished product need do spectral testing, light efficiency testing, and aging testing before packing and shipping. Advanced testing machine is important to ensure high-quality products. During producing each order, technical engineers use goniophotometer to test the parameter if meets client's needing. Make sure products of each bathes are qualified produced out. Various models of photocells and sensors are also produced and sold in North America, South America, and Africa markets. During producing of photocell and sensors, the precision electronic components assembled and welded one by human hand. This can make good elements join firm and performance good function. The ballast and igniter used for HID lighting. On each process during producing, the quality is strictly controlled from the first procedure to the end, ensure reliable quality of finished products. Lipu Lighting focus on new product development and has obtained several technology patents. Near Shanghai Port, Lipu Lighting has the geographical advantage to delivery goods in short time with lower transportation cost. At the same time, supply clients products with competitive price. The products with certificates of CCC, CE, ROSE, UL, etc. Products are exported to Europe, South America, North America, Africa, Middle East, Asia, and other markets.